Hey friends. And I'm really glad y'all are here. I'm gonna double check and make sure. Looks like this is working. Yep, okay. Definitely working. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a update of Spark Testing Base. My hands are blue from my hair dye adventures. And this is like about an hour later than I intended to get started because just sort of like everything went wrong along the way. And so I was thinking that we might like poke at my cluster a little bit, but honestly, I'm not super sure. Mostly because like it, getting started an hour later than intended. But you know what? Yeah, let's see how stuff goes. Um, okay, so here we go. Terminal mode. Oh no, the terminal went away. That's rather inconvenient. I would like a terminal. Yes. Oh dear. Okay. Okay. Eh. Oh. Well. Um. I guess we have to debug things live because that's live. So we'll unplug that, plug it back in. And let's see if I get my display back. Huh. Well, this wasn't what I intended to be doing today. Let's see here. Okay, I don't know why this isn't working. If I go here, yeah. Then I go here, yeah. And I press okay. Okay. Lovely. It's working. That's good. It's always disconcerting when things I tested it right before because like this is what I've been having problems with. I think that I might try a different kind of dock for this thing actually now that I'm thinking about it. Especially because also I'm getting a different dock for my new work computer because I changed jobs. And I think part of my problem, anyways, whatever. Let's get into this. So this PR is from a long time ago. I feel really bad. I never got around to merging it, but in my defense, car crash, etc., etc. Um, and also there were some challenges at my last job for dealing with some of that stuff, but that is okay. Um, so we are gonna go ahead. We're gonna go do a git pull. Um, okay. Um, So then what we're gonna do here is I want to merge this PR first because if we take a look at it, we can see that it has decimal support, and we should add decimal support to the data frame generator because people totally have decimals. So that being said, it's against an earlier version, namely before we added the Spark 3 support. And so I'm my uh my git foo is a little fuzzy. Um oh no, okay. Snokolov. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, I guess, and we'll go ahead and we'll do this. And then we get some merge conflicts. This makes sense. Um Pretty close to what we want, but not all the way there. Okay. Well, let's see if anyone joined for the comments, because then we can chat with people, and then that'll be good, because then I'm less alone, and that's always better. Oh, and we can put on the music. I'm also going to put on some music. Streaming. And then we go into CC0 music and player shuffle star.mp3. Okay. Cool. So let's go take a look. So this is going to be inside of dataframe generator. Nope. Data frame generator. Okay. Yeah, import changes. That's fine. So, oh, wait, what? Okay, I don't, it's fine. Okay, I think that does it. Does this look right? Solid. Oh. Clean compile test. I want to make sure that like my merge code actually passes the tests. In part because this thing uses Travis, which I really need to port this over to a different CI system, but like it turns out that in my free time, the joys of my life are not dealing with CI systems. Okay. Yeah, okay, the yarn cluster is skipped because we don't have everything properly set up for it. That's fine. That's expected. Oh yeah. I really do need to set up GitHub Actions for this. And you know what? Maybe I'll do a stream where I do that sometime this week. Yeah, maybe Wednesday I'll set up GitHub Actions or something. Because yeah, this does need it. Maybe I'll do it next week. Hey y'all. Yeah. Okay. The sound. Yeah, that's not actually what our output is. This is where we're playing. Okay, this is going to take a hot minute to run the tests. I guess while this is running, what could I do? Okay, yeah, while this is running, I guess I could look at using GitHub Actions while this is running. Okay. You know what? Yeah, fuck it. Let's figure out how to use GitHub Actions for this. So we've got this old like .travis file. Travis to GitHub Actions. Yeehaw. Yeah. Well, okay. No, not that one. Okay. The one test that failed is... Ooh, interesting. The sample Scala check test failed, which that actually matters because nullable fields contain null values as well. Interesting. How did I break that? Oh, because decimal. Let's take a look. Nullable fields contain null values as well. Okay. So this is inside of sample Scala check test. Okay. Scala check test. Okay, nullable fields contain null values as well. Okay. Falsified after 5 successful property evaluations. So I think what we're going to do is test only. Yeah. I mean, this is actually not a very good test. In part, because, like, we could, in theory, generate 4 distinct, but okay, whatever. We'll see how this thing goes. Let's add a comment though. This property is a little shaky. Since we could generate yeah, okay. So this is the other thing that makes me think. Where else are we going? Okay. So uh, hmm, okay. Hmm. Non-null gen. Okay. So then we separately generate either this or this based on whether or not it's nullable. Yeah, so that was just a fluke failure. I don't feel great about that sample test though then. Because like, should I use eventually here? Well, whatever. It's this property is a little shaky. This property, to do add a comment about the sketchy nullable test for later. Okay. Sounds good. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. We're going to go back here because my Git magic is pretty bad. Merge this. And we'll push it. Okay. Then, yeah, let's deal with the fact that this thing has, needs CI. Okay. Well, yeah. So, okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna make this thing work on GitHub Actions, maybe. And we're gonna workflows / GitHub Actions basic. Okay, and then we'll go make directory. GitHub Actions basic. Actually, I'm gonna cheat in the way that I do best, which is I already spend so much of my life in Spark, and I'm pretty sure we have GitHub Actions. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at how their GitHub Actions are configured, because that is going to be a lot closer to what I want to do here than the generic one. So, fuck yeah. Build and test. So, we're going to use a different matrix here. Java 11. Are we gonna... Actually, yeah. You know what? That's... I have no idea what that timer was for. Alexa, stop. Alexa, create a 30-minute timer. Sure. I don't think we actually need to explicitly... Do I actually need to do... Really... The only thing that I think I care about is just the different versions of Spark that we're going to support. Yeah, because otherwise we can just use the plus to auto do the cross build inside of SBT. So that's good. So yeah, we're just going to do 2, 4, 3, and 3, 0. Do we do anything special for 3.0? I thought we did. Maybe we don't. Wait. This seems far too easy. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Looks like we don't actually have any special 3.0 code yet. That's nice. I know we do have some special 3.0 build logic in terms of like the Kafka versions and stuff, but that's fine. So let's go back to the build and test. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and say Spark version is going to come from okay. Check out Spark testing base. So instead of that, we're going to go K, Spark testing base. Okay. Yeehaw. Latest in Spark testing base. Sure, let's cache SBT. Do I want to cache SBT? Honestly, I don't know that I do. Well, we'll skip the caching for now. Oh. We should test this with Python 3.8 in the latest version of Spark, but okay. The other thing that I'm going to do, where was that one test which failed with no Spark home? Sample mini cluster test. Okay. Yeah. Unsuite skip test on environment variable missing. Hmm. Okay, so where did this come from? No such element came from get assembly jar inside of yarn cluster. So, yeah. Um, hmm. 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 I would like to skip this test if it's not present, but more specifically, I want to skip the test setup if it's not present. Um, hmm. Okay, so then let's say, um, okay, Scala test assume. Okay, assume can I do the assume inside of before all? That is a question. Scala test assume all. Huh. It looks like I can. Cool. Okay. So Scala get environment variable. So then, um, so then we would do this. Okay. Let's see if this works. Wait, yeah, I want you to cancel, but not with an error of okay. No spark home defined. Oh, this is one suite aborted? Hmm. Mm. Uh, yeah. Okay. Hmm. Well, that's close to what I want. So here is the question, is what is the exit code of SPT test only? Because if the exit code is 0, then we're We have a party. No, exit code is 1. Fuck it. Scala test cancel non-zero exit code. How do I avoid that? Scala test cancel exit code. Scala test aborted exit code. Okay. Any activity which at least one test failed or one suite aborted, but all exceptions that occurred were reported by a Scala test event, such as test failed exception, is represented. What? Success false? What? Scala test skip suite. Okay. Scala test ignore. Okay. Assume is pretty close to what I want. But I don't want to call cancel. Yeah. Yeah, it will fail the whole unit test on C. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Not what I want. Okay, Scala test skip. Okay, I want to conditionally well, I mean, it's progress. It's 2 suites aborted, which is what I want, sort of. But it's also not what I like. I want a 0 exit code because I'm explicitly. Okay, Scala test assume. What the fuck am I gonna do with assume? Like, what is the purpose of this? Okay. So it's like not quite what I want. Not quite what I want. Scala test assume. Okay. Okay. I don't want to cancel. I would like to skip. I guess we could just... Hmm. I hate computers. Okay, well, whatever. Progress. Progress. Okay. Add and assume. Still fails. Without a spark home. But at least it's clear. And so what I'm going to do is... We'll just mark these as ignore. Yeah, because, like, I don't... Okay. Ignore. Scala test mark sweep as ignored. So yarn cluster test. Figure out if this does the trick. Import org Scala test. Yeah. Looks like the add ignore annotation does nothing. Comment it out because it's a pain to run in CI with different versions. And add ignore doesn't do the trick. Yeah. I think there's like a, yeah, sample mini cluster test. Sample mini cluster test. Okay. Snuggle love. I'm sorry the Jeep is so bad. Wait, what?
Yeah, it has something so that you can't, like, leave the car and drive and, like, get out of it and, like, I don't know.
Huh. Dang.
So it puts itself into park.
That's it.
And it's, I think it's doing it if the car is moving slowly and I don't have the seatbelt on.
Oh, yeah.
So if it thinks it's rolling away, it'll put itself.
Oh, but that sounds super inconvenient if you're trying to park. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I snuggle love you. Do I don't have the build SBT file anymore, do I? Okay. Let's... Okay. Hey. Hey, princess. Yeah, so it looks like that I am gonna port the stuff over to GitHub Actions because I want to make a release, and I'd feel more comfortable making a release with you know, CI working. Um hmm. Yeah, and so this is just for Spark testing base. And my method of doing this is mostly just to like take a look at the janky uh, um, similar code in Spark and just hope that, like, you know, close enough, right? You know, this is probably good, right? Right? Maybe good. Okay. Um, Add a workflow. Okay. If it's valid, we'll find out. Cool. Let's see if this does anything. Yeah. I don't know. Don't know. Oh, there's an SBT GitHub action? Oh, I have not, and that seems much easier. SBT GitHub actions. Ooh. Okay. 13 days ago. Oh. Oh, I love this. This looks legit. Um Ooh. Okay. Well, yeah. I would like that. I would like that. GitHub. uh, I don't. The release right now is from a high quality Perl script called mini crossbuild.pl. Only the finest. Which reminds me actually of Spark project. What I originally came here to do, which was to add support for different versions of Spark. So we'll do that really quickly. Yeah, I've made some mistakes in my life, and it's okay. I know that. So let's go ahead. Download 312. I think we have a 3. Do we have a 303? No. Okay, cool. Okay, and then... Because I'm lazy. Okay. Let's see how this is going. Yes? Yes. Let's take a look. I wonder if it ran any things. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Well, I did the thing. Mid. Oh, okay, so there's an action section. Okay, we go to actions. Ooh. It failed 27 seconds ago. Okay. I have an error in my YAML syntax on line 30. Okay. Okay. Do I now? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do. Okay, okay. Okay, maybe? Yes? Yes. Indentation. Fine. You know, if you told, like, 18-year-old Holden or 19-year-old Holden that she would spend most of her life dealing with white space issues, she probably would have been even sadder. Okay. Take a look. Oh, line 45. Yeah, but we're close. We're really close. Right? Right? Alexa, snooze. So close. So close. I think I can just actually simplify this to one line. Okay. If I don't finish it inside of the snooze window, though, we're gonna... Oh. It's cute. Oh, yeah! Check it! Check it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah. I dig it. I dig it. It looks like it might be working. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Solid. I mean, it runs. Like, we don't know for sure if, like, this is gonna work or not, but, like, this looks promising. Oh, actually, while we're here, we should probably... Okay. Build status, GitHub actions. We're not using CodeCup anymore. Yeehaw. And okay. Oh yeah, check it. It's actually running. Hmm. I love it. I love it. This looks really promising. So promising. Okay. Although it is going to take a few minutes and I have to take out the garbage. So, uh, we are going to do a very exciting professorial in the backyard detour. While I do that, let's press Timbit Cam. Okay, in retrospect, given all of the other issues, I should have realized Timbit Cam was not particularly likely to be working. Okay, we're gonna go back to terminal mode. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh shit. I bet I need to bounce that thing. Yeah, okay. Okay. So it looks like that super fun power outage that we got also gave me a hard disk error on Professor Cam. So that's great. Hey, computers. Okay, okay. At least it's looks like it's working. It's running the actual tests, right? Maybe, right? Oh, okay. It's just the logs disappear when I click between them. Okay, okay. I can dig it. I can dig it. We're gonna see if Alexa snooze. Okay. 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 Good news. Good news. That machine, uh, it has a little failsafe mode. So while we probably lost some data, not ideal. It's just like it's not particularly important data, I would say. So we're okay with that. And so it looks like Timbit Cam is supposed to be online. So we're gonna click live feed. Looks like it's working. So we're gonna go back to over here and activate Timbit mode. Yeehaw! Okay. Timbit Cam is live. Professor! 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 Hello, Professor! We are going outside on the Timbit Cam! So much fun and excitement! Are you excited? You excited? You excited? You wanna run around? You wanna run around? Are you gonna run around and show everyone how awesome you are? Yeah? Okay. Professor? Yes? Bargaining is an important part of the professor idea. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Professor. Good job, buddy. Good job defending the household. Good job. Good job.
Oh, well, now she's probably going to go upstairs with you.
Oh, yes, she is. Yes, she is. Well, Moko, you're not allowed in the house right now. No. I'm sorry, girl. Professor Timbit. You know, he would love to have you over, but we have something in the slow cooker, and it's right at Moku height, and that's just not a good mix. That's just not a good mix.
Come on, Buddha Buddha. Oh, Lord. Hey, dog. Doggy. Moko. I should have on my feet.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Yes, he is the cutest professor.
Come on. Buddha. Come on.
Okay. I am optimistic. Ah, god damn it, it failed. Okay, what did it fail on? Sample Scala check test. Yeehaw. Okay, Alexa, stop. Yeah, that one is flaky. So you know what we're going to do? That's a flaky test. We know it's a flaky test. We're going to ignore it. Scala test, ignore. I don't remember where I need to import it from. That's okay. Ignore. We're just ignoring just that one test in the suite. Most of it is still going to be valid. Okay. Okay. Sure. That's fine. Actually, you know what? We don't need this test. We can delete this test. And that will simplify my life, and there will be less code for me to, like, look after. It's a flaky test and we don't need it. Goodbye, code. Okay. Remove flaky test. Okay, what else is showing up? Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. Update the README. Okay. That being said, progress. We see it only failed in 2.4. It succeeded in 3 and 3.1. which is sort of like what we would expect for a flaky test. I personally, I know this is a little jank. The build status. Oh, yeah, oops. That works better. Get the right image file. Yeah, I think I'm now, like, I'm at that age where the code that I'm happiest about is the code that I delete. Oh yeah, actually, and if we go back here to our YAML file, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I haven't even specified, damn it. So this isn't actually, we were just running it 3 times. We weren't actually running it on the different versions of Spark, so let's go ahead and fix that. And this is going to be actually found it on different versions of Spark. Okay, I'm less confident. I'm not super excited to push this anymore. Or, I mean, release it. But I am going to do this, which is admittedly a little bit sketchy. And that's just what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the artifacts ready to push sort of preemptively, and I'll check the CI before I push it. And I'll do that when I close the repo and publish to Maven Central. Or alternatively, if it doesn't pass CI, I'll drop the repo and fix the issue. That being said, there's something I wanted to do. Something else I wanted to do. My brain is... I feel like... Oh yeah, I wanted to bump the version number. Yeah. Yeah, let's see here. It's not just a bug fix release, so it's going to be 1.1. Bump version number. Notable newly added features are decimal types in DF generators. Bug fix. Cool. That's rather concise. Yeah, rather concise release log, but it's a personal project. Oh, cool. So, then that's another thing to fix. Okay. So we'll see how this works out. Not a guarantee. Okay, build and test failing. Not ideal, but also kind of expected. Let's take a look at our actions. Ooh. Okay, can I cancel this one? Because I don't. I think we actually need this one. Cancel workflow. Okay. What failed in this one? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That's why. Okay. Let's fix the CI. So this actually needs, we're going to go 2.4.7, 3.0.2, and 3.1.2. Full version strings for the CI. Okay, that makes sense. On that note, I'm going to go ahead to sonotype. Yeah. Like oss.sonotype.org. Login. Staging repositories. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to drop. Boop. And we drop it. Okay. Let's go back to our actions. We also really don't care about this one. Cancel workflow. Okay. Hopefully this all works. Oh, enjoy your food. I'm also probably gonna go eat some food. And I'm gonna leave this thing to run. But I'm gonna wrap up the stream now because it's about 8:30. And yeah, it's been a long day. First day of a new job. All that magic. Well, no. So I dropped my staging repo, and so now I'm gonna run this Perl script, and it'll repopulate the staging repo. Oh, why would I drop the staging repo? Because it's all, yeah, okay, my brain, sorry. I need more coffee. But yeah, so yes. Good point, Princess. Or good joke. I'm sorry my brain was too literal, or not literal enough. I don't know. Anyways, whatever. Cheeseburgers. It's all good. Anyways, thanks everyone for joining. Especially thanks, Princess, so much for chatting with me. And that pointer to the SBT thing, the SBT GitHub Actions sounds super interesting. I'll definitely probably consider that. This project is a little weird because it's built for all of these different versions of Spark. But for some of my other stuff, that sounds like that would be a pretty choice. So I'll check that out. I hope you have a lovely dinner. And yeah. Hearts, everyone. Thank you. Stay as safe as possible out there. See y'all.